Hey guys, welcome to DelfStack. This is how to fix Google Chrome crashing on Windows 11. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to your start menu and then go ahead and go through the settings. Now here on the settings, go for privacy and security. And now over here, go for Windows security. And now from here, go for virus and threat protection. And now from here, guys, you could just simply do a quick scan. So guys, sometimes this happen because you have a malware into your computer, or if you really want to make sure, you could go for scan options and you could do a full scan as well. But this may take longer than 1 hour. Now, if this doesn't work, what you could try to do as well is you could just simply change or disable some extension by clicking on the three dots over here on the top right corner of the screen. And now you could just simply go ahead and go for the extensions, and you will have a pop-up and you will have an option over here, manage extensions. So sometimes guys, these extensions over here that you have downloaded comes with a malware. So make sure to turn them off, or best option, you just simply select remove and remove your extensions so you won't have any issue moving forward into your Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.